What's going on, guys? It's Tuesday. It is just before noon. Unexpectedly slept in a little bit today. I forgot to usually, like, when I have like days off like this and Brittany leaves at around 8, I'll set an alarm for 10-15 minutes after she leaves, just so I'm up and not laying in bed all morning. But for whatever reason, I failed to do so today, so I slept in a little bit. No big deal. I'm actually headed to Starbucks right now to get some studying done. I started doing that real estate stuff yesterday. It's not that bad. It's a little wordy. It feels good again to just kind of start learning again. Like I said, I kind of dug into it for a solid hour yesterday, and I could already feel myself getting consumed by it. So that's a good feeling. But didn't want to feel trapped in the house all day. It is a gorgeous day out, but for whatever reason, they are saying that we're supposed to get like 3 to 5 inches of snow at some point later on today. So that just goes to show you how quickly the weather in Colorado can change. But again, didn't want to feel cooped up in the house all day, so I'm going to head over to Starbucks and just kind of hang out, post up for maybe another hour and a half or so, and see what I can get done. And yeah, just like I said, be out of the house for a little bit. So post up, do my hipster thing, get my Starbucks, get my books going, and bust open my computer and whatnot. But hopefully we get some stuff done. See you guys in a little bit. What's up, guys? Just got done studying and taking the test for section 1 of that real estate course. I was in there, I was grinding for way longer than I thought I was going to be. Like I said, once I get going, I just kind of get sucked into it. It's a little tougher than I thought. It's really like wordy, a lot of like terminology, vocab kind of stuff. But like I said, took the test at the end of section 1, passed, and realized how long I was in there for. So decided to get out of there, just dropping my stuff in my car. Now I'm gonna head into the grocery store to grab some snacks, and then head home for something to eat and kind of let my brain rest for a second. And then might head back out and try and get some more stuff done. There's a Whole Foods right by our house, so that might be a little easier. And grab something to eat there. But for right now, grab a quick snack, head home, rest for a minute, and then back at it. Morning. Morning, guys. Just before 9 a.m. It's Wednesday. As you guys saw from my walk over here. Spring break, right? No. snowstorm. About 5 inches of snow already. I am currently on the stairs at the gym doing some fasted cardio. Just trying to lean out just that last little bit before we head out. I'll probably do it for the rest of the week this week, and then one day or Tuesday next week if I can before work. We'll see. I like doing it. Other than the fact that I'll be up early. I'm not up that early today, but on a day that I go to work, I'd probably be in here at, 5:30 or so. So I used to do it when I was competing for shows and stuff, and it really worked. I've literally watched it work. That's why I believe in it. But other than that, I think all of our plans got scrapped today. Brittany and I had a bunch of plans to get little errands done, pick up stuff, sunscreen, travel necessities, all that good junk, but we're probably gonna have to hold off a little bit at least and see how long it snows for. Right now, currently listening to Easy like that in the morning. Probably gonna go for, I don't know. I'm one of those people that put the towel over so that I don't have to see how much time is going by. The goal is to go for 30 minutes. If I go over that, it's not the end of the world, but like I said, snow day today. Just leaving the grocery store. It is nasty out. It is nasty. Picked up some essentials. Starbucks, of course, it's a blizzard. She gets an iced coffee, no big deal. Just picked up some essentials, soup, some pizza rolls, really just some emergency items in case we're kind of stuck for the rest of the night, which is looking like we are. Luckily, like you guys saw the other day, we live right across the street from the gym, so we're still planning on going. But holy cow, it's cold. Are you in? Come on.
Jacket.
Whew. So luckily we're probably gonna go home, gear up, and then head to the gym here in a little bit. But it is definitely wicked outside. What's up, guys? We kind of got an audible today because the gym that we usually go to closed early. So as you can tell, the snow is really not all that bad anymore. Actually, the sun's trying to poke its head out. And that right there is usually the gym that we train at. But we called, and they said they were closing early. So, unfortunately, we are going to try and get a workout in at the gym at our apartment. As you guys can see, a lot of cardio equipment, a little multi-cable here, some dumbbells, an easy bar, they got some medicine balls, and that's about it. So we're gonna have to get a little creative, but we'll get it done. It's good practice for Mexico, training in a hotel gym. I got my Bose speaker going here. Hopefully no one minds, but like I said, good practice, training in hotel gyms and whatnot. So we'll try and get creative, get something in, see what we can get for you guys. Alright guys, just winding down for the night. The workout at our little apartment gym wasn't as bad as we thought. We had the little Bose speaker in there, so we had our own little music going and everything, so not as bad. It actually, as you guys saw, it got kind of nice, like the sun started to poke its head out. And we saw a ton of people trying to get into the gym because it's right across the street. But big day, not really a big day tomorrow, but she's going back to work. I've got some errands to run in the morning, and then I'm going to study again for most of the afternoon. And then usual stuff after that, gym. What else?
Tan laundry.
Gym, tan laundry, literally, tomorrow. I've got a meeting with some coaches, and then I've got to watch my Dookies later on tomorrow night. So that's it for tonight. I've got a little bit more to eat. I'm actually a little bit hungry, but I'll wait a little bit before I eat again. We had some chicken and pasta when we got home from the gym, but like I said, that's pretty much it. We will see you guys tomorrow morning.